Jesus, lover of my soul, in the key of G. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jesus, lover of my soul. Jesus, I will never let you go. You've taken me from the miry clay. Set my feet upon the rock, and now I know, and I love you, and I need you. Though my world may fall, I'll never let you go. My Savior, my closest friend, I will worship you until the very